Hey guys, this is Adam with Hypertech. We've got Mark here. Mark, we are working on your Polaris RZR today,
Yep.
right?
2019 Turbo S.
Right on, man. And so this is your wife's RZR?
It is.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, she wanted something to ride in. It had some doors on it, so she liked the color, and that's how we ended up with that.
Gotcha. So you've decided that you're going to upgrade it for her today.
Yeah.
She told
well,
you that you needed to
what
upgrade
kind
it
of husband would I be if I didn't upgrade my wife's RZR?
Absolutely.
I mean, it's pretty
yeah,
happy wife, happy life.
Right on. All right, guys, before we get started, we're going to do a quick rundown of the tools you'll need. First, your ratchet. You'll need a T40 torque and a T25. One of the other things that'll be helpful, we're using this as an alignment tool, so you can line up where we're bolting into all this stuff. And some Loctite. Those innermost door bolts right there, they have a little bit of Loctite on them. You're going to want to put that on there. You know, if your door falls off, we don't want you calling me over in tech support going, hey, my door fell off. So
Exactly.
All right, Mark. So we're here with your RZR. You got these door bags here. They look like they've seen better days.
Yeah. I tell you, once you get riding in the mud and in the water and that kind of thing, you get home and you do your pressure washing and cleaning and everything, these things just don't hold up well.
Yeah, they got the adhesive on, or had the adhesive at one point on there, and those things are kind of falling apart. Well, guys, that's one of the reasons that we designed the bag the way that we did at Hypertech. You've got, in addition to the 7 bolts back here, you can see you have clips rather than something stuck on there with an adhesive, and you've also got the Velcro here that'll clip or that'll Velcro onto the bars behind it to keep the bag held up for a nice long time. Man, we actually we designed it with the elbow pad back here also.
And that's a great idea, because when you're riding, your elbow is right in this area, and and these bags offer no protection.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know why no one else has done that before, but yeah, it just seems like a no-brainer to us. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get these bags off and install some proper bags.
Sounds good.
All right.
Okay, Adam, I got the bags off. So it looks like you've got something else over there.
Yep, got the lower bags here. And guys, if you do get the lower bags also, make sure you install the lower bags first. It's going to make it a lot easier on yourself. So, but yeah, man, we got the lower bags here. Once again, same thing. You've got no adhesive on there, so you've got Velcro, and you've got the clips to keep it together. One thing we didn't discuss is you've got this flap over here. It covers your zipper, man. It keeps your zipper from getting all gunked up with mud and everything like that. Yeah. And just simple design stuff. That's what makes us so much better than the competition.
So the clips at the top, where do they clip on this part?
Yeah, the clips at the top are going to clip on the plastic right here. We've got a screwdriver you can take, put it behind there, kind of pull it forward a little bit and clip those things on.
Okay, so obviously for the lower bag, you would need the lower door, correct?
Yes.
I mean, is that?
Yeah.
Because then not all of them have that.
Right. All right, guys, on the lower bag install here, basically all you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. First, start with the clips. Take it, pull this plastic piece back right here, and just clip onto that right there. You've also got this one. All right, got that on there, just pulled that back. Now then, when you're installing this thing, these clips, once you get them in, they can slide around, so when you're putting your Velcro on, makes it a little easier if you can move them sometimes. All right, you want that nice and secure there. All right, you've also got, let's see, you've got 3 underside here. You've got the metal bar here you can get on. All right, there you are. Quick and easy install. All right, and let's go put them on the other side. All right, guys, got the door bag on the other side. quick tip, as we were messing around with this thing, we found that if you put this Velcro strap on first, it makes it a whole lot easier on your shelf. So what we can do, there we go. Get that nice and tight.
That's the ticket.
Uh-huh.
So when we put these straps on, Adam, how many straps do we have?
Man, we got 2, let's see, 4 and 5. Well,
So
6.
straps.
Yeah, total of 6 straps.
So we
on
got
it.
three clips and 6 straps that hold this lower bag.
Yeah, absolutely.
Man, that's going to be sturdy. Man, I tell you what, she's going to be happy. This is way more storage than what I had before.
Oh, right on. All right, cool.
All right, man. You made quick work of that. Let's do the upper bags.
Right on.
Okay, so we've got some of these bolts already loose because we took the old bags off.
Right, absolutely. So we've got the T25s here that you'll want to get loose. You've got to pull this skin off right here because you'll want to be able to Velcro back behind this. We'll also remove this this T40 right here. You'll need that. The elbow pad will bolt back here.
Awesome.
All right, so let's get started. All right then. Excellent.
Got one more.
We got one more. Missed one. All right. And then it is going to be this outer bolt right here. Don't remove the inner one. You don't need to remove that.
Inner bolt. So that again.
Sorry. All right. So it is the outer bolt here.
Inner bolt.
Sorry, it is the inner bolt here.
I noticed that was a little tougher. These bolts have Loctite on them.
Yeah, they are definitely Loctited.
So probably need to put some back on there when we go back together.
Yep, you'll need a little elbow grease. All right.
Oop, got one right there.
Missed one. Another one.
T25. All right.
All right, and so let's count those real quick. And 2, 4, there are a total of 6 of the T25s, and you've got 2 of the T40s. Alrighty then. Start with the Velcro on the back and the clips up top. These clips just go over the back right here. It's going to keep this bag from sagging after you've been riding in this thing for a few hours.
All right. So goes around the 2 frame pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Clips are on.
Clips are on.
You just slide it this way.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to loosen this up just a bit.
There we go. All right. That should.
So you have to adjust it a little bit as you go. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
All right, we're on there tight.
Yep.
All right, perfect. So we want to go ahead and put that T40 back in.
Got a little Loctite?
Yeah, we'll need a little Loctite on this. You want to load that up there?
Yeah, sure. On the T40, just a little bit of Loctite because it does go back into the metal.
All right, and that's on the T40. There we go. You'll hold that for me. Thank you, sir.
Oh, change bit.
Yeah, change bit. All right. Ooh. Oh, don't do that.
What are you doing?
Climbing around on the floor, you know. My nice
We got to get
white Hypertech shirt.
Go that way.
It's in.
We'll do this last to make it easier.
And Loctite. All right, putting a little Loctite on this thing, making sure it stays in here because it is going into metal. All right. Now then, we want to go ahead and strap this Velcro. There we go. There we go. Is that good enough?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Close just a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. I start out with this one first.
Mm-hmm. Sort it out.
Mm-hmm.
And
Is it got it lined up?
Mm-mm. Not quite. Just making sure. There we go. All right. Next, we're going to use the T25 and put these other 6 bolts back in.
And we're going into plastic here, so we want to be extra careful, right?
Yeah, extra careful. Yeah, you don't want to strip that out.
Yeah, don't get too
excited.
right.
All right, there we go. Well, I think I found it anyway. Where'd that thing go? There it is. I believe.
Yeah, it's kind of tricky to get in. You have to align the grommet in the bag with your fastener hole. So you can use like a little punch or something to align it. Is that us?
That's close enough, I think. There we go.
Hold on.
Okay. Got it?
Yep.
Cool.
Hit it with the zippity doo dah there a little bit.
Yeah.
There you go. That's good. Hold on.
Okay.
There's one right below.
Uh-huh. See what we got here. All right, there it is. Let's see it. It is. Right over there.
You know, these are take a little bit of work to put on, but I know they're going to be worth it. I can already tell they're way better than the bags I had before.
Okay. Ooh. Have to come way over there.
Can you get it on it?
Yeah, I believe so. And
Really slow. There you go.
all right. Excellent. And that thing is very secure.
Oh, we got a flap here too, just like the lower bag, huh?
Uh-huh, absolutely,
that's
man.
awesome.
Yeah, like I said, it keeps mud and sand and junk from getting all in there. So that way, when you go to unzip that thing, it's still pretty nice and easy.
That makes it hard because the zippers, that's the worst part about it. Once they get dirty, you can't operate them very well anymore. So
right,
very neat, very nice.
All right, now we're going around to the other side.
So we took the old screws and put them back in the spot that they came from when we took the old bags off, so we wouldn't lose them. get those out of the way.
All right.
And we're going to take these bolts out.
Correct.
And remove the outer skin.
All right. All right, guys. Let's see here. Clips, and make sure that this backside is lined up here to these bolts. It's going to help you out in the long run there.
All right, so we're clipped in.
All right, we're clipped in, and then we need our T40 and our Loctite. All right, perfect.
All right, so now we got to put the skin back on.
Yep, skin back on.
Because all the T25s go into the outer skin.
Yeah, and when you're getting these T25s back in, you are going into plastic. Be pretty careful with it. You don't want to tighten down on them too tight.
So tie up this Velcro straps before we put the outer skin on, obviously, because we won't be able to
probably help, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Extremely helpful. And we'll line the door. Like so. Ish.
All right.
Is that up?
Uh-huh. We'll go ahead and toss this one in. Hold this thing on a little bit. All right.
All right, then it's just a matter of putting in the other T25s.
Uh-huh. Already pretty much aligned. All right, there we go. All right, and I believe that's everything. Just gonna probably do a quick run through and make sure these bolts are nice and tight by hand. You got the ratchet. All right, here you are, sir.
Oh. Definitely don't want to over tighten these.
And once again, you are going into plastic here.
All right.
All right, good to go. So nice and secure. Thank you very much, Mark.
Those are awesome. Thank you, Adam.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sweet. Look at the freaking, I mean, that's just made for that color combo.